The video today we have some new DeWalt Impact driver. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Big shout out to Stan the Man and Joe the Two Guy for posting this first. I believe Stan the Man did give me all this information first, and then I saw it in another YouTube channel, which is Joe the Two Guy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, the new stubbies is like, it's a real compact impact driver. All right, let's check it out, guys. All right, we got the first picture here. I know it's a little blurry, but this is what we got. These are sneak peek pictures. These tools are not released yet, so these are just pretty much a sneak peek from DeWalt. All right, so you got DeWalt DCF850. It says 0 to 1000 RPM, 0 to 2000. I can't read it. 0 to 2000 RPM. And I can't read the rest of the numbers here. But yeah, if you guys see the size of this thing, look at, here's the trigger here, and this is the size. So this is where all the tools are headed. If you guys see, and it looks like it does have a, you know, a regular collet, like an impact driver collet, and you know, obviously the transmission, the hammer part of this, it's really small, but you know, according to the specs, it does have a lot of, you know, a lot of power. So be sure to check it out. All right, so the next picture we have, it's a little bit more clear. So this is the DCF850, 18 volt type 1. So this is, you know, obviously here in the United States it's 20 volt, but this is 18 volt. Maybe it might be in Europe or who knows where. You got 0 to 1000, and then you got 2800, I believe, and then you got 3250, and then you got 0 to 3800 impacts per minute, I think, IPM. You got UK DeWalt. Yes, I guess it is from the UK. DeWalt. I can't read the rest. It's hard to come up with the numbers there. But if you guys could read them, feel free to read it. You guys are probably gonna get a better, clear picture than me. All right, here's the other pics that we have. The first one says DeWalt Max Atomic 20 volts, quarter-inch cordless brushless 3-speed impact driver. So yeah, so it is confirmed. It is an impact driver. It is 20 volts. You got vendor Stanley Black & Decker. You got MFG number DCF850P1. And then the next one we have a DeWalt Atomic 20 volts, half an inch cordless brushless compact impact wrench. So we got an impact wrench, and then we got an impact driver. You got DCF921B, and then this is the weirdest thing ever. This says it's a stack. It's a power stack. So from my understandings, and obviously Joe the Two Guys understanding, you can probably stack batteries on top of each other. I believe it says DeWalt Power Stack DCB-P03, 20 volts, 5 amp hour lithium ion battery, one piece. So that's DCB-P034. That's the number. Yeah, guys. So it seems like it does have some sort of ability to, so you can put another battery on the bottom. Maybe if you have two 5s, you can, you know, make it a 10 amp hour battery. So that's very interesting. All right. So next one. Next one, we got the handle here. Pretty much the standard brushless. It seems like you do have a 3-speed at the bottom. So pretty nice handle. You guys could see how small this top part is. All right, the next picture, this the top of the tool. You got a tri-LED. You got a regular collet here, maybe a quick insert collet. And like I said, this thing's super compact. Look at this thing. It's super compact. You got the DeWalt 18 volt XR brushless. So obviously this is for another country, and it seems like you do have a speed selector at the top. If you guys see up here, I can't really seem to see what this is, but you do have a speed selector. Alright, the next one, this is the side view. So you guys see it really compact. Again, you got a speed selector there on the top. You got some nice vents there. You got brushless there. This is the XR. And you do have a battery, DeWalt battery, maybe a 5 ampere. It looks like a 5 ampere battery. And then you do have another speed selector here. So I don't know what the deal is with two different speed selectors, or is there a different mode? Who knows? We'll find out when it comes out. And this is all the information that we got as of now. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys know anything about these new tools that are coming out. Let me know down in the comment section. Big shout out to my man Stan the Man and Joe the 2 Guy. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.